Oh, falling flat on my ass. Wait. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to this old house of Roy's. This is a short day today. All we're going to do today is finish building this wall. We're going to add a door. Just about where that 2x4 is now will be actually one more 2x4 over. And it's approximately a 5, almost 6 foot door. The French doors, we'll put those back in. And we'll go just a little beyond, only so we can start putting sheeting up, so we can actually set the door up in there. So let's get at her, and who knows what's going to happen after that. Before we get started on building the wall, we need to take down that board underneath the eave there, because we need to get the sheeting out so we can build the wall properly. And of course we have to go into what we'll call the new bathroom, get that floor put in, and go into the laundry room and get that floor put in order to build the wall across so we can get the wall built with the door opening. Of course, by now a lot of time has passed. We pulled out a piece of the sheetrock out of the dining room, had to cut the 2x4 out on the lower part of the wall so we get the plywood slid in. And now I'm working on the future bathroom, trying to get that floor out so we can finish our joists clear to the end, and so we can slide all of our plywood in there. Of course, we have a lot of discussion here because the wall that Roy's standing at, or was standing at, that actually has the old power box on there, and we have to deal with some of the wiring coming through there. So it's not an easy task at the moment, but we're gonna get her. Roy's busy working on getting some of the subfloor out from underneath that wall, because all that needs to come out for the plywood to slide on in there. And by the way, there is plumbing in that wall. We have the laundry that used to go through that wall. We have the sewer, the air vents. We have a number of things we have to deal with. So it's going to take a little extra time, but we got it, I tell you that. Now to add on to the floor joist, put it on top of our new sill. It is a double floor joist, like I said before on the other one, in order to make a stronger wall and give the wall something better to sit on than just one single 1.5 inch wide 2x10. So we're getting the nail gun ready with the proper nails inside, and we're going to slide that plywood in there. We see we need a little bit of adjustment to do, so I have to mark it out on how much more we need to trim off so we can slide that plywood in and get it nailed into place. Then all we have left is just that little piece towards the left side to pop out, and slide a piece of plywood in there also. And you know how sweet it is when you can nail that piece in there. And now we're going to reinstall the floor jack, because like I say, that roof is coming down. You can see it from up above. I'll show you in a different clip. Maybe you next time I do some filming here. But it's nice to get that up in there, and I think we're ready to do that wall. Okay, we're done for the day here. It's just a short day, but just same as you saw. Got our new floor joists in and had to take out some plumbing, some sewer, some more plumbing, some wiring to get our new floor in. And until we decide where the washer and dryer are gonna go and toilet and everything else, it's kind of hard to just stick a hole in. So Roy's gonna have to wear his clothes for 3 or 4 days, maybe 5, and just turn his underwear inside out as needed. So until next time.
I'm not putting my underwear outside my clothes. I'm not a superhero.